The Fantastic Finger Guide was designed with the beginner in mind. Let me show you how it works. The triangles represent the open strings, squares natural notes, and the dots represent the sharps and flats. On the side of the instrument is the sharp flat indicator. The square equals the natural note, and when you go towards the scroll, you're going to have a flat note, and when you go towards the bridge, you'll have a sharp note. If I play a G natural, and I go this direction, according to the sharp flat indicator, that would be a G sharp. But if I want to play G flat, according to the side here, I would go G and G flat. I've also included on the side position markers so you can play in advanced positions earlier in your playing. Half position all the way through fourth position. Right now I'm going to show you how to install the All Notes Finger Guide for cello. Do realize when you're doing this that you want to take your time and not be in a rush when you install it so you can get it right the first time. And also that if you do need to make any adjustments, do make those adjustments within the first 15 minutes. Once the guide sets on the instrument, if you try to pull it off, the ink will crack and flake off. It's very durable, but once it's set, it can only be used once. So let's get started. So the first thing is you take, find a chair, sit in your chair, and take your cello and face it towards you with the raised end pen. Put it on the floor. Take your legs and hold the cello in place like this so it's hands free. And then you take your decal and you pull it off the sticker. And what you're going to do is you're going to slide it. Let me turn it a little bit this way. You're going to slide it underneath, sideways down here. And then you're going to keep the wings up and rotate it lightly. And it's okay if it sticks a little bit, you can just pull it right off again. And then keep the wings up against the strings. Then you're going to slide all the way up till you get to the top, and now you're going to align the triangles at the top. So you're going to align the triangles at the top. So let me pull it off again because I got a little sticky there because I was moving it. And the squares all the way down. And once you think you got it aligned, then you're going to lay it back down, starting with the wings against the neck of the instrument. It's pretty forgiving at the beginning, just like this. Okay, and then once you have it there, oh, it slipped. There we go. Right there. And then you're going to push down in the middle, just like that. And then move to the sides. Once you have the sides down, you're trying to get the air bubbles out. It'll settle a little bit the more you use it. And then what you're going to do is then you're going to go on the wing sides. Put one wing down, and put the other wing down, and there you have it. And you've installed your Fantastic Finger Guide. Alright, have a musical day.